Hey guys, so my mom is handicapped and not many shoes work for her. A particular style has been discontinued, so she's been wearing this pair of flip-flops for a while now and the design has come off. So I thought I would revamp it for her. So I have a palette and I wrap it with saran wrap just for easier cleaning. I will be using Turner's acrylic wash and I wasn't sure if this was going to work or not, but I wanted to try it anyway. And I'm using Faber-Castell pens for outlining. So I started off by freehanding some flowers. I didn't exactly know what I was doing. I was just kind of doodling. The parts that were stained looking were the parts that I could draw on. Otherwise, the regular canvas, it was kind of hard to draw on.
And maybe I'm just a little girl.
So when I started to paint, I wanted colors similar to what was already on her flip-flops, but I didn't mix it light enough. I kind of mixed it too much. And the thing about these paints is they dry really fast, so I don't want to spend an eternity trying to mix it. So I just went with the purple that I had. And I didn't think it was this difficult to paint on a shoe, but it was. And I kept thinking the whole time in my head, I made a mistake. What was I thinking? But I had to keep telling myself that this wasn't the end result yet. I haven't outlined it, and to just keep going.
Just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. You tell me, don't try it. I'm warning you that I won't buy.
Then when I got to outlining, it definitely did look a lot better, but my pens were starting to dry out, so I had to keep going over it on some parts. But yeah, the outline definitely brought this design together.
I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans.
I also decided to put a little bit of this kind of glittery metallic acrylic paint that I had on the purple flowers, and I'm glad I did because it just brought them up an extra level. I'm happy with how they turned out, but most importantly, my mom loved them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys!